What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to take a look at my actual tire size. They're 35-inch Nittos, so we will see if that's actually what they end up being. Alright, so before we actually get into the measuring of these tires, I just want to let y'all know real quick, I have had these tires on the Jeep for a year, so they're not brand new. It's not like I just put them on, but I wanted to go ahead and measure them because we were talking about it, and I was curious to see what mine actually measured out to. Like I said, they have been on here for a year, so the wear is going to be a little bit more. I've had a lot of highway miles on them, and I guess we'll just have to see. Let's get a tape measure on them. So I got my tape measure. Let's go ahead and measure the tire. About right there. Say about 34.5. So let's go to the side, check the rear, and then we're going to go to the driver's side and check the front as well.
Go.
All right. So with the weight of the Jeep, it's a little under 34. And like I said, I've been on these for roughly a year, so that's not too surprising. So let's go check out the front. So on the rear, we got a little under 34 inches, just a hair. And here we're sitting at about 33 3/4, which this of course has the weight of the engine. So that's not surprising at all, having the more weight up here on the front. So definitely not bad. I ended up with a little bit less than 35s, so that's not really surprising considering I've had these on here for a year, but still really close. So they were probably right at 35, if not just maybe a little bit under when I first originally got them. So pretty good. Now I wanted to reach out to y'all and let y'all know, it looks like I may be using Old Faithful here for 36 hours of Uwharrie if JK Gear and Gadgets can't get his transmission fixed. So make sure to go check out his page, give him a thumbs up, give him some support, and let's hope he gets that transmission fixed. But if not, I guess we'll be using Old Faithful here to get us through that competition together. It's going to be a good time, and we're going to try to get a lot of great footage out there for y'all. So definitely keep posted. Make sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and check out my other videos. Like always, have a great day.